Noticed this new feature over in Midjourney is in beta and it's style creator. So I have a prompt right here and I'm going to use this prompt that I have, and what it does is ask me to select these styles to see which ones that I like. So let me see, I'm going to, I don't know if I want to skip. I think I'm going to choose this one. You choose just like as many as you want to. Let's see. And then I can still pick some more. I'm just picking just random ones because I really don't even know what the intention is, but I like the result. So I'm going to just keep choosing. And I don't know where they get these from and why it's not like showing a bunch of other ones, or I don't know. It's new, so I'm just going to roll with it. Then let me see, because some of these I like. Okay, so I'm just going to keep picking. Okay, so I'm just picking just different random ones so you can see what this result is going to look like. Okay, I think I'm going to just go with these. Every time when I decide I'm done, then I end up seeing some more. Okay, so I reached my limit. So I'm going to go and see what these are going to look like. Oh, see, I still like these though. Oh, some of these are cute. Okay, that should be good enough. Okay, so let's go and see what these are looking like. Because see, some of them I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to just do this one while it's right there. So I got to wait for some of these jobs to finish. Okay, so these are, some of them are done. And look at the results from that one prompt. I get all of these. I use this prompt right here with her. And then I just kept changing it with those selections. And it just made me all of these based on what you just saw me doing. And this is just so cool. I love it. And it's the refined style. So I'm just going to keep waiting for them to load in. But I like what it did based off of everything that I had chosen. This is what they're looking like. And I think this is really cool. Like, I love it a lot. Look at these. These are totally different too. Midjourney is really coming through. These are so cute and so unique. All of them are like totally different from one another. So we still got like 8 more to finish coming through. Let's see what this one is doing. They look really vintage. Just really, really different. I'm really liking what I see right now. And I don't know if this is for everyone, if you all will have this beta option as well. I just noticed it like literally like probably within this hour. They just get better and better. These are going to look so cute on greeting cards. Wall art. Still waiting. I got 3 more that need to go through. This one is generating. Let's see what this is going to look like. Oh, I love it. Like this. I want to remix it. I'm going to do some more off of that one. I like the high contrast of like how these look. So cute and different. Okay, so I still got a bunch more. I want to see what those variations going to look like on those ones that I just clicked on and just did. It looked more like an impasto painting style, the ones that I just remixed. See if any more. Okay, all of those are done and you've seen all these already. Those turned out really cute. Okay, we all get to see the gist of this. I actually want to just do one more. I want to see something. I want to see like if not that one. Let's see that one. Let's try this one. I'm going to pick only like certain ones. I'm only choose like one because I just want to see what it's going to look like off of just choosing one versus like choosing like 10 of them or 20 like I was doing. I'm going to skip this grid. Let's see. I'm just going to pick some that are, oh, that one look, that's different. Okay. So I want to choose some that just look like this, like with no art style, just more realistic. I say that and then I see other cute ones. Okay. Okay, let me stick to the plan. I'd be going off in another area. Let me see. So like this looks regular. This one. Okay, let's refine that. This one is cute. Choose this one. This one. This one. And that one. But I like that too. Skip it. Let's see about this one. That's cute. I wonder, does it give everybody the same ones? Like if you do this, I wonder if you'll see the same ones that I have. Okay, I think I'm gonna be about done. I'll be on this all night. This is ridiculous. It make you not even want to stop because it keep on coming up with other ones. See, they just get better and better. This is like ridiculous. So cute. Let's see. Okay, that's it. For real this time. Okay, let's see what we got. I'll probably have to show you all tomorrow because it's a lot that I have queued. These were some of the new ones. Yeah, see this makes really good wall art. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because I didn't want it to go too long. But I just wanted to share this so that you could see what Midjourney is doing. Okay, so that's gonna be it. And maybe I'll come back tomorrow and show you when all of these get done, because it's gonna take a little while for all of these cute ones to all finish. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.